Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how people are making money from the comfort of their own home, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share with you the entrepreneur's best hidden secret to making money online quickly and easily that you can apply in 2025. It's called the PLR franchise. Imagine buying a store that's already set up with everything ready for you to just plug in your marketing strategy and start earning sales. I will leave you the link in the description. The company called PLR Ebook Provider is currently the best kept secret on the net. They provide successful ready-to-use e-commerce with ready-to-sell products delivered the same day in less than 24 hours. To receive your own ready-to-use e-commerce, click on the link in my description or in my bio. Starting an e-commerce business from scratch can be exciting but also time-consuming and risky. One increasingly popular alternative is buying a ready-to-use e-commerce store from the company called PLR Ebook Provider. Here are some key advantages of taking this route. Immediate business launch. Proven business model. Established customer base. Time and effort savings. Access to existing suppliers and partners. Potential for immediate revenue. Lower risk. Access to existing marketing assets. Faster scalability. Training and support. In conclusion, buying a ready-to-use e-commerce store offers numerous advantages, including immediate access to a fully functioning business, proven sales strategies, an existing customer base, and established supply